everybody obviously has seen like that, knows today's business and knows myself and knows the story, like knows a big part of that story is Chris Hogan. And Chris Hogan is, a two-sport professional athlete, played, now is in his 10th year in the NFL, which is absolutely crazy and bonkers and insane that he is in his 10th year. Just caught a touchdown last week, which is crazy. Did not expect to play, but like he's also the person I had the opportunity to build things with and build an awesome, like I said, the world that we live in. Like I live in an awesome world that I get to, touch so many different areas. But to your point, everything I do is all marketing. It's all marketing, no matter what it is, whether it's a brand or an athlete, it's all marketing related. And it's all about getting exposure and also making, I would say, anybody that wants to acquire a customer, like that's the best fit for what we do and the mentality that we have. And
Tom, hold on. This is about you. And I know the story, and I want you to tell as much as what you did there. From what I know, that's a very interesting and impressive story, what you did along the way to help him, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean,
this is about you. It's about you. You really helped.
We made
toot your horn, man. What did you do?
Yeah, we've done a ton of deals. We worked with every major brand. I mean, he was one of the highest paid Nike athletes. I mean, we were able to do a ton of different things from Super Bowls. He's also able to like get us into a network of athletes that, people saw his brand everywhere, that we got to work with a ton of, from Hall of Famers to most recently Olympic gold medalist David Taylor. It's been an awesome ride because of the things that we've done for him. And honestly, it's the fundamentals that we'll talk about later that we did do for him. We made sure that he had a logo. We made sure that he had great branding. We made sure that his content wasn't going to be an all about athletes. It's going to be all about family. You know why? Because it's going all family brands want to be part of family people. So like, right. It was very strategic. We just kept it basic, but we were consistent with it. We were able to grow a huge following. He was also able to do, like, it takes two to tango. He was also able to do what he did on the field that led us to be able to, get that exposure to other athletes see it. I mean, we work with people, from Tom Brady to Chris Hogan. I mean, we've done work with everybody. And now it's been kind of cool that because we have such a diverse, and they seem like Chris particularly, like, and us work with so many different levels. And I think now personally, because our product at today's business and us working with like clients, or like regular companies, I think because of what it's kind of mixed here now, other brands are more like here to come to us, be like, hey, I know this is throwing shit at the wall, but like, can you help us do this X, Y, and Z? And we're like, you just want to get in touch with this person, just like now, because we have that network of athletes, it's able to,
exactly.